Hello guys, welcome back. Hellishrider here. Yeah. So today this is already sanded and all the stickers removed and all the dust. So now I'm gonna just clean it a little bit with nail polish. Yeah. To remove all the fat on it or dust or whatever. And then we're gonna start spraying it with black. Yeah. So I got some plastic coat for this kind of fiber. It's good enough. With the gloss brilliant. First I'm gonna spray it a little bit only, so to give a light coat on it, not to cover completely, just to make some light coat first on it. Then I will let it dry, then I'll make a second coat a little bit more steady, and then a third coat on it. After the third coat is completely dry, then I'm gonna sand it, wet sand it, with maybe 1000 sandpaper, just to remove some defects on it or something, and then I'll check if it's good enough or if I need to spray it again and sand it again. Right, so there's only a light coat on it. I will let it dry, and after half an hour we come back to give a second coat on it. Right guys, ready for the second coat. Almost there. Then I really need to pass a sandpaper again to remove all the imperfections from it. But it's looking good. So just giving the final coat of clear coat and get this thing ready to be assembled. Back on Shwarley. Hell yeah. So I have everything prepared already. Now I have the two sisters here, Shwarley and my new winter / spring project. I still don't have a name for her. We need to figure that out. Right, I have everything prepared already, so let's start installing this shit back on place. Alright guys, sorry for didn't show the image of the assembling of everything, but suddenly it started raining, and because I had all the electric system open and everything, I wanted to assemble everything as soon as possible. But alright, here you can check the final result with the fender already painted, installed. Yeah, it's not that short as I was imagining, but okay, I think we are getting there. Okay, so the next time you'll see it is being riding around. Alright, okay guys, see you later. Hellishrider out.